A mermaid is an aquatic creature with the head and upper body of a female human and the tail of a fish. Beautiful, mysterious, and maybe dangerous, the mermaid is a graceful creature that has captured the imagination of man since he set to the seas. It has a male counterpart called the merman. The male and the female collectively are sometimes referred to as a merfolk or merpeople. The word mermaid means woman of the sea. In Old English, mer means sea and maid means woman. This video is purely based on the legends about the mermaids. Come on, let us jump in to play with the facts about mermaids. But hey, stay tuned for a bonus in here. The first mermaid, according to the legends, is Atargatis. Dating back to 1000 BC, Atargatis, the chief goddess of northern Syria, is said to be the original mermaid. After giving birth to her child and not able to cope up with the loss of her lover, she jumped into a lake, but the gods could not bear her beauty, and out of pity, they transformed her into a creature whose lower half was that of a fish and upper body of a human. Manatees are slow-moving aquatic animals with human-like eyes, bulbous faces, and paddle-like tails. It is likely that manatees evolved from an ancestor they share with the elephant. These herbivorous marine animals, sometimes known as sea cows, were often mistaken by sailors out at the sea for mermaids. Christopher Columbus was reported to have seen ugly and fat mermaids when he set off from Spain across the Atlantic Ocean. The mermaids are believed to have powers like immortality, forecasting future, telepathy, and hypnosis. Some cultures believe they have more superpowers like hydrokinesis, the ability to move water with mind and expanding and molding it into a variety of shapes. Hydrocryokinesis, the ability to freeze water. Hydrothermokinesis, the ability to boil water. Aerokinesis, the ability to control wind. Cryokinesis, the ability to create and control ice and snowfall. Pyrokinesis, the ability to start fire and create bolts of lightning. Atmokinesis, this is a combined power of all the superpowers. Sea only. These mermaids live only in the seas. They can be Arctic, deep sea, open ocean, tropical, freshwater, or kelp forest mermaids. Shapeshifters. These creatures can change to human form when needed. Skin shedding. These mermaids can shed their tail and can walk on land. Aquamarine is a gemstone that belongs to the ocean's heart. Mermaids are said to cherish this gemstone and are also said to create them. It is said that only mermaids and not a merman create these beautiful rocks with their tears. When a mermaid's tears leaves their face, it is supposed to transform into an aquamarine. Time for a bonus fact. The Starbucks logo has a secret you have never noticed. At a time in the past, the logo of Starbucks was a two-tailed mermaid who was technically called Melusine or Siren. They did, however, as most of you know, change that logo to only the head, half the chest, and the tips of the tails that are visible today. So let me ask you one question. Have you ever seen a mermaid in real life with your own eyes? Let me know your answer in the comments below. What are some of the interesting facts that you learned from this video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Facts Playground. There are some other videos I think you will enjoy too. Until next time.